Hi, David here. In the last lesson, we have learned three sounds of 韵母, which are a, o, e. Also, we have learned four tones of the sounds. Today, we are going to learn three new sounds of 韵母 and two sounds of 声母, which is similar to the consonant in English. Here are the three 韵母, i, u, yu. Now, please note that when you add tones to e, you need to remove the dot over it, and this is how it's written. Now, please read after me. E, 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 e. And this is how u is written when added tones. Now, please read after me. U, 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 u. This is how yu is written when added tones. Now, please read after me. Yu, 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 yu. Well done. Now, let's move to 声母. Here are two 声母, i, u. For 声母, they have no tones. Tones are only for 韵母. Now, please read after me. I, I, u, u. So in this lesson, we have learned three 韵母. I, u, yu. Of course, with tones. Also, we have learned two 声母. I, u. Alright, this lesson is over. See you in next video.